So a perfect example is we are chasing the stock up in an M3 or a broken butterfly in, say, June expiration, and the market's extremely overextended and we're getting close to expiration. We have the choice of rolling up on top of the market and trying to finish out the trade and try to make a little bit more money, or we have the choice of staying behind the market and waiting it out. If you're truly in a severe overextension, there's two things going on. One is it's likely to come down. Two is there's a very good opportunity in the further out to expiration month because you have time now. If I roll up on top of the market, right, so I'm playing these scenarios out in the head. If I roll up on top of the market in my front month and the market comes down, I'll probably lose my front month or not make very much money. And I've lost opportunity in my back month because now I'm no longer overextended. So it's a double lose for me. Where if I stay behind the market and it comes back, fantastic, I made money. If I stay behind the market and it keeps going up and I take a small loss or a reasonable loss, now I have a fantastic opportunity to be bearish in the next month when I have some time.